Hello, hi, it's Monday, so it's collage time. Don't these Mondays just come round so fast? So it's the Margarete Miller prompts for 2021, and still haven't decorated the front, but we'll do it at some point. Let's see, we are at 24. So 24. Let's just clip it open. And this week the prompts are something you are thankful for, numbers, a ticket, your handwriting, something that can blow in the wind, and the bonus swap out is a map. So I have used the bonus swap out this week because I'm going to switch it for handwriting, because I did handwriting last week and I just thought that it might be a bit different just to do the bonus. So I have something you are thankful for, and I have a little bit cut out from my letter notification that I got that I was due to go for my vaccine. So I've cut that out. That's me vaccinated twice. I've had 2 jags. I got my second jag a couple of weeks ago. So that's what I'm thankful for, this vaccine. Numbers, I have, let's see if we can get these picked up. Numbers, I have this, 1 and 6, 1 shilling and 6pence, in old money. A ticket, I have this little ticket, and a map. That's my map, a map of Europe. So I have those, and something that can blow in the wind. I have a stencil here of a dandelion clock blowing in the wind, and I thought it would be nice to ink that up and then just get these down on top of it in some way. So a little bit of washi, I think, just to hold that in place. I haven't got that out. Let me get some out. Let's just use this narrow washi, and we'll just put it over a little bit, I think, just so that that end one is just on the page. And we'll just get this down just to, I don't know if this is going to be broad enough. I should hold it just for the short length of time. Okay, so I have 2 shades of green for the leaves, and I have this weathered wood for the actual dandelion bits. I don't know what they're called. What would they be called? I call them dandelion clocks, but I guess it's seeds, dandelion seeds, I'm guessing. Anyway, I'm just going to, these are nearly dry, they're very, very old, so I don't need to use a dauber or a sponge or anything, because there's hardly any ink left in them. And so it's easy just to do them straight, and plus it's a nice pointy. These teardrop ones are quite handy because they point and we can get it in the little stem bits. So we'll just do that. Get that in like that. And then we'll just add, so that's Versamagic chalk ink in aloe vera, and this is Versamagic too, and this is Hint of Pesto, which is a slightly darker shade, and we're just going to do the edges a little bit, just add a little bit of fancy shading, see if we can be a bit fancy. and just add a little bit of darker. I don't know if that'll be noticeable or whether I've just made them all dark. Anyway, we'll soon know when it's lift off time. So we've got this is Weathered Wood Distress ink, and it's quite dry as well, but because it's a big ink pad I can't do the same as I did with the chalk ink, but it'll be enough. I want it quite light anyway, because really these should be a kind of white, so we're really just adding a pale grey just to show that they're there, because obviously we can't do it white. Let's do these ones flying in the wind, because that's blowing in the wind is the prompt, so we have to have some that are blowing. Right, so let's just see if that has worked. Fingers crossed. Let's put the ink. Oh, I think that's fine. That worked out quite nicely, blowing in the wind. So let's see. This is a sticker, so we can get that down there, maybe. And then we have the ticket. I don't want to be covering up my leaves too much. Maybe just pile that on top of the map. I'll put that up there, and then it keeps it joined. I think maybe you could put the map sideways, and then we'll be able to see the leaves, and that's the ticket. Is that too bunched up? No, I quite like that, I think I'm going to go for that. Go a wee bit off-piste and put a map upside, no, it's not upside down, sideways. Let's see if we can get the sticker off. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Right, let's see. Where did we have it? About here. Oh, that's fine. And then that, maybe just, yep. So we'll get our glue stick and our old magazine. So, hope everyone is well. Hello everyone, old and new subscribers. Great to have you here. And maybe there. And there's the other one there. I suppose numbers are already on that, but rather than make one tick off two boxes, we'll just do a separate one. Get that up there like that. There. Let's get a little bit of glue off that. Oops. There we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that was one short there. So that's us, I think. Nice bit of stenciling today. And we have something I'm thankful for, the vaccine, numbers, a ticket, handwriting was swapped out for the map, and something that blows in the wind. What do you think? Yeah, I think that's quite good. So totally different from anything else, because I think of the stencil. It's makes a difference, stenciling something, a wee change. It's amazing how prompts make you think of different things all the time. Look at this guy. Oh, and then remember I took his arm off and I had to stick it back on. Yes, I'll need to think about what I'm doing in the opening page. So that's it for this week. Thanks for joining me, and if you enjoyed that, a little thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you later on. So take care and bye for now.